Ladies and gentlemen, open way. Open. Alright, so I'm a forex trader here in Ghana. Just as I've been telling you guys, I'm K Kwame, forex trader here in Ghana. K Kwame FX. If you just joined, a quick subscription to the channel will do, as well as if you are a new subscriber, not a quick subscribe. I appreciate the love. Keep sticking with me because the grind is not about to end. I keep preaching this. Do not quit forex. Do not quit whatever you started. You don't quit what you started. You have to finish it. You feel me? So last week, you guys know we are trading on the Pro Firm challenge. You feel me? We are on a challenge phase where we actually need to pass it and get live funded. And so we happen to draw down into our balance or our account. You feel me? No, we have no day. We still keeping our heads in the game. That's the only way you get to survive. Okay, so why am I so this excited? That be the shit. You guys have to figure out. You feel me? So I'm spotting an opportunity. When this week started, I'm only seeing one juicy setup. Out of all the pairs I have on my watch list, I have only one setup that it is arranging for me to get it cooked. You feel me? So without wasting much of a precious time, ladies and gentlemen, let's go straight inside of my screen so y'all would know the setup I'm talking about. It's actually card CHF. Among all these setups I have on my screen, it happened to be only card CHF I want to have a trade on. You feel me? Because ladies and gentlemen, you got to be very patient when it comes to the game. Be patient. If you don't have patience, then forget about it. You feel me? Forget about it. You guys know me. When I come on the market, I have my psychological levels drawn. You feel me? And I'm not going to explain plenty on this particular setup. When I come to the market and when I open my monthly time frame, this is a rejection. Market is struggling over this particular psychological level over here, and market gave me a candlestick pattern. This is an evening star candlestick formation. One bullish candle eating up to two bearish candles. If they swallow them, that actually they tell me this is about to reverse, or this is about to get a pullback or something to the upside and then continue with the bleeding. You feel me? All right. So then what do the weekly time frame also tell me? Now the weekly is also giving me something juicy. The weekly right here is giving me some sort of, I look at the market structure as well. Of course, you can never do without market structure. So the weekly is giving me high, low, lower high, whatever this low is, a higher high. They're breaking this shit, higher high. And so, what do you expect? Boom, to the upside. Just simple as that. Let me just quickly clear this shit. Simple like that. The daily. Now the daily time frame, this is my area of interest as well as my support zone, and this is my resistance zone, all because here had multiple touches. I had to put this as a resistance. All right. So I know on the daily time frame, anytime market gets here, they reject and drop. So first touch on the trend line drop, second touch on the trend line drop, and third touch drop until finally we broke it. What you expect? A pullback on a trend line like this, and then boom. Sorry guys. And then boom. Now my 4 hour, my ultimate time frame, my 4 hour. Let me quickly scale down to my 4 hour. My connection, bro, guys. I'm super excited about this setup. Because okay, so this is my 4 hour. Why is my network connection just jamming? So on the 4 hour, we can clearly see anytime market touches this particular, market is free to move to the upside just how the monthly is saying, but there's some sort of a force holding market to the downside. There's some sort of a force holding market, preventing market to go to the upside. You feel me? So market had a touch, and then finally we broke it, and we breaking. Let's do some calculations right here. Let's do some probability game right here. We have the upside probability and the downside probability. So this right here is an area of interest right here. Whole lot of touches over here. Whole lot of touches, you feel me? And then a psychological level as well, a main psychological level as well. Price finally broke it, and then price also, not only the price break out of this area of interest and out of this psychological level, price broke out of a force that is holding price, that is preventing price to get to the upside. So a first touch, a second touch, a third touch, fourth touch, rejection, bro, and then finally boom. What you expect? We expect price to pull back and then zoom to the upside. That's 130 pip, ladies and gentlemen. I can guarantee this trade is actually, see the way I'm sweating, this trade is actually gonna make me come out of drawdown. Let's bet. Because we traders, we don't dwell on the we don't actually control the outcome of a trade, but we dwell on probability. The odds of this moving to the upside versus the odds of this moving to the downside, and the upside of this is very higher. You feel me? So I'm super excited, but let me just wait for the pullback and then get my confirmations on whatever, however I get my confirmations, and then enter this trade, and let's see what I want. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I enter this trade.